This is one of the simplest life insurance products na dapat lahat tayo meron. And pag-uusapan natin yung health insurance. Critical illness protection yung dapat meron tayo bukod sa health card na provided ng company mo. Let's talk about this AIA Critical Protect, one of our best products sa AIA. Ito, pwede to sa mga bata, lahat ng kids ko meron itong coverages. From age 0 hanggang age 65. So technically all walks of life. Right? Bagong panganak, single ka, or kaka-graduate mo lang, at meron kang trabaho, or kakakasal nyo lang, no, both of you, mag-asawa, kukuha kayo nito, or if you have kids, no, you don't want na maging pabigat sa ibang tao, you need this critical illness insurance. And even if you want to get for your parents, diba, hanggang age 50, may 55, 60, 65, hanggang age 65, pwede pong kumuha nito. Alright? So, let me share with you itong 1 million coverage for 57 major illnesses na covered ka up to age 100 guaranteed. Hindi ito VUL. Alright? So, sa 5 years old, nasa 12,000 a year na, 20 years to pay. So, mga 250,000 na total na ilalabas mo in the next 20 years hulugan, 1 million na yung coverage mo. Sa 10 years old, 14,000 lang. 15 years old, 15,000. 20 years old, 19,000. 25 years old, 22,000. 30 years old, 26,000. 35 years old, 31,000. 40 years old, 37,000. 45 years old, 43,000. 50 years old, 52,000. Hanggang age, yung 55, 60, and 65, pumapatak mga 100,000 pero 10 years to pay na lang. Ito yung mga major illnesses na covered ng AIA Critical Protect or ng ACP 100, diba? Life insurance siya, tapos may critical illness, whichever comes first. Ayan, no? Kidney failure, cancer, liver cirrhosis, heart attack, Alzheimer's disease, brain tumor, Parkinson's disease, stroke, major burns, total and permanent disability, and so on. Right? Mga major na sakit na pwede talagang dumapo sa atin before tayo mag-age 65 or before tayo mag-age 100. Based on studies na natutunan ko, about 73% of people before we die, we will incur a certain illness, lalo na major illness. So dapat pag-ipunan natin yan sa mga maliit na halaga, paghulugan na natin o pag-ipunan natin yung future na magiging expense para hindi na siya maging sakit ng ulo by that time. So, kung interested ka sa product na to, let me know. Mag-usap tayo. I can send you a quotation and we can send Zoom meeting. Pwede natin i-process ito online or magkita tayo. Pwede yan.